Good afternoon, Neil. Well, your wheels are me, old mate. I put some of our discs on them because nothing's come in the post, else my missus would have rang me. These are good discs, by the way. I have painted the middles on both of them. So yeah, it's all good. I'm happy about it. Front forks are in. Some lovely powder coated bits, look. Powder coated bits, handlebars. Rebuilt the back shock. Looks nice, doesn't it? Back mudguards in. Back swing arms in. That stand I've had to put in temporarily because it belongs to Steve. So yeah, back wheels in, swing arms in. Let the fun begin. I think it's coming on quite well. Give it another couple of days, mate, and it won't be too far away, I don't think. I just have to fettle things as they come up, you know. Attachment bits, you know, bolts for like putting the discs on, the discs, and just little bits and pieces that I hadn't done. I just did the main plastics and stuff and engine, as you know. So yeah, the engine will go in tomorrow. I'll get the loom on it, get the airbox on it, various plastics. It'll start to look like a bike. I've got to rebuild the switch gear. Obviously, you've got all your powder coated casings. I'll unwrap all these tomorrow and I'll send you another video. But yeah, she's coming on me, old mate. Yeah, it won't be too long. The sad thing is, the old mate, I've burned up your budget about 9 o'clock this morning. It's all gone on labour now, so at the minute, what is it? It's 3:30, so what was that, 9? I'm up to 6.5 hours now. Like I say, I've burnt the budget, so I do apologise about that, mate. It's what it is. It'll be labour now to put it all back together. All right, mate, thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.